people of Goa for a very long time have been fed up with this politics of defection. Those who vote for Congress feel betrayed because Congress sells their vote to BJP, and those who vote for BJP also feel betrayed because they voted for BJP, not for Congress, but BJP stole Congress's vote. So people of Goa are sick and tired. To be honest, they are disgusted with this, and they are yearning for change. On these lines, wait for a mega announcement tomorrow in Goa.
Sir, one small question which I want to ask you. With the assembly elections going on as of now, all the preparedness is happening. Is the Aam Aadmi Party looking for an alliance with regional parties like MGP, Goa Forward, or Congress?
This visit is about teaching a lesson to BJP and Congress for betraying Goans. I will make a mega announcement tomorrow. Let's wait for that.
Kejriwal Sahab is supposed to come soon to Goa.
Kejriwal Sahab is loved by the people of Goa. People of Goa want Kejriwal Sahab to come to Goa very soon. And God willing, he will be with the people of Goa sometime soon.
Contesting all the constituencies, sir. Aam Aadmi Party.
I will let you know. Let's wait till tomorrow. Let's wait for the mega press conference tomorrow.